Hey there, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn off TalkBack, also known as VoiceOver, on your iPhone 11. Let's go. Hey there, before we begin this video, my name's Sergio with Surge Tech. In this channel, I do reviews, tutorials, and also talk a lot about passive income. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and do so now. I promise you'll get a ton of valuable information from me. If you want to follow me on Instagram, go ahead and do so now. It's surge.tech. And there's going to be links and resources to all the information that I talked to you about in this video in the description down below. So check that out. And without further ado, let's get right to the video now. All right, TV. So you may have turned on VoiceOver by mistake and it's really annoying and you may want to turn it off and you're having trouble turning it off. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this video so that you can enable it or disable it as well. So all you have to do to turn off this annoying VoiceOver TalkBack is through the settings, but sometimes we get this setting activated by mistake. So we're gonna find these settings. My settings is down here, so you're gonna select it. After you select settings, you're gonna double tap it. Here in settings, we're gonna once again scroll around with 3 fingers down till we find accessibility. So accessibility will be right around here. There you go. So select it, then double tap it, and this hearing option is VoiceOver. So right there, it's the first one. Go ahead and select it. Double tap it, VoiceOver, and then all we're going to do is select the green thing right here and double tap it, and it will turn off. So your iPhone will be back to normal. No more annoying voice. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you enable or disable VoiceOver, also known as TalkBack, on your iPhone 11. All right, so hope this video was helpful to you. Go ahead and give it a like. It really helps me out. That's it for this one. I'll see you in the next video. And as always, peace.